Meaning of decimate.
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 Decimate. The word decimate means to destroy or kill a large proportion of something. Historically, it was used to refer to a punishment imposed on military troops where 1 in every 10 soldiers in a unit would be executed as a means of discipline. In modern usage, it generally refers to a drastic reduction in numbers or a significant damage to a particular population or system. The result of decimate is a severe and often devastating blow to the affected group, resulting in significant loss or damage.